Good morning, dear students. Now we learn about the acceleration. Okay, so yesterday you have seen the video about the acceleration. Acceleration means what? When there is a change in velocity is called as a acceleration. For example, when we are increasing the speed, we increase the speed in the vehicles with the help of the accelerator. We can decrease also with the help of the accelerator. Okay, so the increasing of the speed and decreasing of the speed. So that means that if there is a change in velocity, velocity means what? Speed and direction. When an object is going with the speed in a particular direction is called as a velocity. If there is a change in this speed, it is called as a acceleration. Okay, so here let us read about the what is in the textbook. Okay, so here letters are very small. Please, I will read, follow the textbook. Acceleration. In general, what difference can you see in the cars that run on roads and a racing car that runs on a track? One main difference is that a racing car has a very high speed. Second difference is that a racing car has a very good pickup. Pickup shows how fast the speed of a car increases. For this, a technical word is acceleration. Okay, the increasing of the speed is called as what? Acceleration. That means change in velocity. Velocity is not always the same. Okay, when we start, after starting, the speed is increasing. So there is a change in velocity and also the change will be in the direction. So it is the acceleration. So with the help of the table 1, okay, if in the first table we have seen, I will show you the first table, bus A and bus B. So we have seen the values. So this is the one, table 1. Okay, so we are going to calculate for this and find out the velocity for bus A and bus B. Okay, so here we can say that one, here time is in minutes, here distance in kilometers. So we are going to kilometers, we are going to change in minutes and change in meters, and then minutes we are going to change in seconds. Okay, so here we will see now. You remember the values? Okay. Now you see this table. Okay, so here timings you see 9 to 9:15. So velocity of bus A in minutes per second and velocity of bus B in minutes per second. So what is the formula for the velocity? Displacement by time interval. Okay, displacement by time interval. So what is the displacement? The distance between the initial position and final position is called as a displacement. If you see in the table 1 for the bus A, the initial distance, it is what? 10 kilometers and the final is what? Second one, 20. So the difference between these two is called as a displacement. And then time interval. Time interval means first time is what? 9 a.m. and second time is 9:15 a.m. So the difference between these two timings is 15. This 15 is the time interval. Okay, so that is why here we can see here now first the big one, final. So 20 minus 10 into why we keep 1000 here, since in the table 1 bus A they have given in kilometers. Since we are changing here into meters, we keep the 1000 because 1000 meters are equal to the 1 kilometer. And here down why we use the 60 means we are changing the minutes into seconds. 60 seconds are equal to 1 minute. So that is why into 1000 and then by how much? 15. That means time interval 9 to 9:15 how much? 15 minutes and into 60. So when we divide and everything is over, how much is answer? We get 11.11. Okay, so same thing in the second one, 9:30. So how much we keep here? 30. So 9 to 9:30 you just see 30. Okay, so that is why again here everything the initial position minus final position. So again second value is how much? Third value 30. So 30 minus 10 and divided by how much? 30 minutes. 30 into 60. then again 1000, and then again here 60. So when we divide, we will get this value. And again here how much? 40 minus 10 by how many minutes? 45 minutes. So 45 minutes, and then here, then again here, then here how much? So 50 minus 10 and divided by 10, 1 hour is over now, so 60 minutes. So 60 into 60 and into 1000 and that one. So 10.15. Okay, so with this 1 hour is over. Now we will take 10 to 15. So 15 minutes we will take here for this. Okay, for this we take the 15 minutes. At the end how much is there? 60 here. Na? 60 minus 10 by 15 into 60, then again into 1000, then here how much? So again when we count, we get the 11.11 only answer. Okay, so this is the velocity of bus A. So like that only we should do for the velocity of the bus B also. Okay, so when we read here in the down of the paragraph, in the here you see in table 6 we see that during the motion of bus A, the change in velocity is 0. That means the velocity is same. That is why there is no change in velocity. So the change in velocity is 0. And in the same time, intervals velocity is constant. Intervals of the velocity is constant. You see here also 11. Interval if you see 11.11 minus 11.11, how much? 0. Again this minus 0. And this minus 0. So everything constant, and velocity is 0 and everything is constant. But in the motion of bus B, the change in velocity is different at different times. Therefore, to express the change in velocity of a bus, we need to know about a new quantity. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. If there is a change in velocity is called as what? Acceleration. Okay, so here we can get the different values. Okay, see, please fill this table in the textbook. Afterwards write it in the science note.